What's going on, YouTube? This is Frank. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing another unboxing. I'm pretty happy about this unboxing. As you all can see my face, my smile, even my beard is like smiling right now. But anyways, I'm doing a shoe unboxing for you all, man. Shoe unboxing for you all. So basically, I didn't know that I wore a size 12. All these years, I thought I wore a size 10 and a half and 11. But that's only because almost 10 years now that I've been in my nutrition and fitness lifestyle. It's been 9 years now. Next year it'll be 10. I wore just trainers, mesh sneakers, and the guy at Foot Locker who measured my feet, he told me that mesh sneakers, they fit to your feet. So you can have, your feet will be growing, but you won't notice it if you're wearing mesh sneakers all the time because your feet is stretching from the material that's in it. So anyways, I picked up some sneakers. I had to give away my old sneakers to one of my coworkers. I just chose to do that. They were a size 11. I wear a size 12. I wear a size 12 in Nike Dunks. And I wear a size 13 in Air Force Ones. Lord. Anyways, restarting my sneaker collection. I got an unboxing for you all real quick. And I love them. A lot of people, y'all probably don't like them. I don't care. I like them. Always like the little crazy Nikes, man. I can match them up with my blazers and things and my, like my slacks. Like when me and my partner, when me and her go out. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and unbox these joints really quick. Size 12. My first shoe that actually fits my feet. And I just didn't know that I wore a size 12. Now, if you're a man that wears a size 12, you know sneakers, your sneakers and rare sneakers and authentic sneakers and sneakers that are hard to get, you get your size easily because, hey, not a lot of people a lot of guys have small feet. You know what I mean? So, hey, I'm taking advantage. Anyways, just unboxed it. Nike SB, these are called Sandy Bodecker, Nike SB Dunks. You all can see right there. Says a size 12 in it right there. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Let's go, baby. Woo, boy. Look, a lot of y'all like, I don't know. I wouldn't wear them. I like them. And I'm going to smile. Hold on. For that thumbnail. Listen, I'm in love with these sneakers, man. The sneakers that I always wanted, I didn't get a chance to get. I found one collector online. The sneaker that I always wanted, it was called a Nike Air Force One Invisible. It was the only see-through Air Force One sneaker that was available. I was like a preteen, and I always wanted them, but we couldn't afford them. I was a little kid, we couldn't afford them. They're called a Nike Air Force One Invisible, and they're light blue, and there's only one kind made. Any other colorway is fugazi. Sorry, my camera blinked out. It was they were called a Nike Air Force One Invisible. And there's only one pair that Nike authorized and made. They were light blue and they were clear. I always wanted those. So when I found out about these, I said I gotta get them. So look at these, baby. So basically, the story about these sneakers right here, did the smell test. They real. Don't come at me. They authentic, baby. And I want you all to excuse our dog is. I love them. I have to close the door when I'm doing videos. Sometimes I have them in videos. Matter of fact, I'm gonna open the door and show you all, so you all won't think I'm weird. Come here, Socks. Come here. Airplane Socks at the door. I don't know why he do this when I pick him up, but this is Socks. Come on, let me finish my video. Okay. We talk to him like a human being. Anyways, a lot of people wouldn't like this sneaker. I love it. So basically, the story of the sneaker is in 2022, there was a charity event. Nike did like a donation to a charity. And what they did was they made the full version of this sneaker. It was a Nike SB sneaker. They made the full version of it. Basically, what happened is in 2002, I think the sneaker was like for $30,000. And it came in a case. It had the full version of this, and it had 3 other sneakers just like this. What they did was a guy named Sandy Bodecker, he actually cut the sneaker, the SB, just like this, sliced it up. Basically, according to the site, they did it because they wanted to preserve the I guess like the elegance of the original sneaker, whatever that is. So basically, a guy bought it, and who it was a guy named Sandy Bodecker, and basically he's the designer. He was the mastermind behind the Nike SB Dunk. The reason why they went with eBay is because back in the day, and I remember this too, back in the day, if you wanted to find rare SB Dunks, you actually went online and you went to eBay. That's where they had them. So anyway, I like it, man. You all can see sneaker right there, slices in it. You get what I'm saying? The bottom got a little icy little sole right here. I bought these actually from a collector that just kept them up, man. He only wore them probably like one time. And really pretty happy about it. Everything is still in there. Actually, I'm going to show you all this little detail. Look at the insole. When you look at the insole, you see it's like a makeshift of somebody's foot in there. You all can see that. And then you see the toes and things right there. That's pretty dope. That's the right shoe. And this is the guy right here who actually bought the sneaker in the auction. This is Sandy Bodecker, and it looks like his son right there in the other sole in the left. And I'm pretty excited, man. Honestly, I like it. A lot of people will be like, oh man, like stuff gets foggy. Dude, wear black socks or whatever. I don't know. Wear pink socks, whatever. I don't know. I like them. And when I first seen these a couple years ago, I think when they came out, it was like maybe 3 or 4 years ago. I was really happy. I was like, if I get them, I get them. If I don't, I don't. The cool thing is, a lot of people, I'm not worried about the creases because the way that I wear my sneakers, I don't wear them with jeans. I wear them with like casual slacks. I wear them with, wear them with slacks and a blazer. I do the geezer style. I've been doing that since college. So anyways, even if it creases like right here, at least for me anyways, since I have like a bigger foot. Nobody looking at that crease, man. So basically, again, these are the eBay Dunks. Sandy Bodecker, Sandy Bodecker, eBay Dunks, SB size 12. I'm happy, super happy about them. Check me out. If you got these sneakers or if you know anybody who does have them, let me know what you all think. Let me know what you all think about this sneaker. Would you wear these? Would you wear these? I'm going to wear them. And they're probably going to be my 4th of July outfit, actually. Who knows? Don't count me on that, but who knows? That's it. That's all I got for you all. Like, subscribe, share, comment below. And let's get them subscribers up, man. I'm trying to get it to 1,000 subscribers. That's all I ask. 1,000 subscribers for right now. I'm at like 521 something. Let's get it up. We going up to greatness in 2024. All of you all. That's all I got for you all. Peace, love, and blessings. I'm out.